Hey guys, happy final days of sixth grade. Oh, the time has flown by. This will be our last or my last video message that I make for you as sixth graders. We'll still see each other tomorrow at 11 o'clock at our Google Meet. And you still have a few things like Step Up Day and eighth grade graduation, those kind of things happening next week. But I did want to take a moment today and reflect on the year and give you a little background for the reflection that I'm going to ask you to complete for today's assignment. So I don't know if you remember, but this was on the smartboard your very first day of sixth grade. And it says, you can do hard things. Now, to be honest, yes, I knew you could do hard things. But this mantra, this little saying, was also for me. It was a great reminder for me starting a new school year that I could do hard things. And I can take risks with a class and try new ways of thinking and really push them to see what they can do. And you guys did it. You can do hard things. You did hard things this year, and I'm so unbelievably proud. It has been a crazy year, but I'm so proud of your growth and your grit and your perseverance. And that's an understatement. You have come so far as individuals, but even more important than that, you've come really far as a class. You've learned to work together, support one another, respectfully agree and disagree with one another. You question each other's thinking, and you've collaborated with friends, and you've made some new friends and people to collaborate with along the way. You guys have been nothing but a joy to teach, and I am so honored that I got to be your sixth grade math teacher this year. For some of you, that means that I have known you and watched you grow since you were fourth graders, which has been wonderful. For those of you I had last year and again this year, it was such a gift. And for all of you that were new to WES or new to being in my classroom, I am so grateful that I got to spend moments of my last year at WES with you. You have made me a better person, you've made me a better teacher, and you've made me a better mathematician too. I learned so much from the questions that you guys ask me and the questions you ask each other. I learned from your successes, I learned from your mistakes, and all of the hard work that you put into every problem and every assignment. Everything you've done impacts me and how I go about teaching, and I thank you so much because you've really helped shape me and prepare me for the rest of my life as a teacher and all of the new adventures to come. I'm going to miss you guys, and I'm going to miss WES so much. This community made up of you and your classmates and other middle schoolers and the elementary school kids, and of course the other teachers, have really changed my life for the better. I'm going to miss your laugh, your creativity, Tyler and Miles trying to draw stars for the first time, your math battles up at the whiteboard, and your smiles. I'll miss your gratitude, your openness to try new things like meditation and mindfulness, and your daily laughter at my math memes even when they weren't that funny. But most of all, I'll miss exactly who each and every one of you are. Incredible people inside and out. I'm asking you today to reflect on the year. Think about how far you've come, not only as a mathematician, but as a student in general, and even beyond that, just as a person. I want you to think about what you're proud of, what you wish you would have done differently this year, and even some of your hopes and dreams for as you transition into seventh grade. No matter what your reflection takes you down, no matter what you think of looking back at this past year, I am so proud of you all. You are wonderful, and I know you are going to continue to go on into seventh grade and do great things. You are more than prepared for all of the steps and challenges and celebrations that lie ahead of you, I hope you guys have a most wonderful and relaxing summer. Please stay in touch. I will never forget that I owe you a trip to 7-Eleven. We will make that happen next year, I promise. And I can't wait to continue to celebrate you guys for years to come. Always remember, you can do hard things. I'll see you guys tomorrow.